Hello everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix microphone not working on your HUAWEI Nova 14 Pro. So first, what you guys want to do is go over and check your microphone port with a non-metallic tool. So the way we do that is we basically rotate our phone. Now check the microphone port and then clean it with a soft brush, for an example. This is one of the best examples out there, because if you use something metallic, like let's say even a SIM tray opener, even though it's a bad example, then what you guys can simply do is destroy that microphone port and it will not work anymore. So do not use anything like this, for an example. Don't use this to clean it. Make sure to grab a soft brush and then you'll be good. Next, what I like to do is I like to go over to the apps folder right here, or just simply go to the recorder app. Here, I always agree to everything. Now we want to start recording, and as you guys can see, if those lines are moving, then basically our voice is being recorded. So now I'll stop talking for a few seconds. And as you guys can see, the line was going straight. It was not moving. Now it's moving because I am talking, and that's how we can basically know that our microphone is working. So let's quickly check if we are right. Now we want to start recording, and as you guys can see, if those lines are moving, then basically, so yes, everything works. Our microphone is working. But if yours isn't, then what you guys want to do is restart your phone first. You need to hold the power button for 3 seconds. And now click restart and tap again to restart the device. So now it's restarting, and I'll see you guys in a second once the restart is done. Now after the restart, what we want to do is, let me quickly enter the password back again. What we're going to do is we're going to go over to the settings, and here in those settings, check for software updates. So this is as a last check. We're going to scroll down in the settings to system and updates. Then we're going to click software update right up the top. And as you guys can see, it's checking for updates now. My software is up to date, but if yours isn't, then I recommend you updating it, because it's very important to keep up with the latest version of your software and to make sure that there's no old glitches laying around, such as microphone not working properly. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.